Okay, we're going to start manipulating this cockpit a bit more. What we want to do first of all is double click our Imagine and Shape and right mouse button and all elements selected, and we want to split this into some more segments than it is. Right now it's one block. If we grab this face, we'll be moving that entire face. We want this top and split into more than one face. So we've got it highlighted. On the workbench there is an icon called face cutting. We'll choose this icon, split it into 3 faces. So it looks like that, and you can click on the other faces and see what they look like, but what we want is we want it looking like that. So that looks good. We'll just checkbox it, and now we've got a number of faces that we can manipulate. Press the escape key a couple of times, and now we can start manipulating these faces. So double click our shape. We can do a control pick on the 2 faces. You can see that they've turned red. Make sure that we've got the translate icon turned on. Actually, let's pick all 4 faces. So they're all red. Translation icon is turned on. And we can drag this up and down. So we want to drag it so that just a little bit of the yellow is peeking through, maybe about that much. And then let's change our selection icon to faces so that we're only picking faces, not edges. And we'll control pick these 2 faces and then drag them out a little bit, just so that they cover our cockpit. Right, like that. Good. So we've got the cockpit all covered up. Let's change to our 4 viewports. And we can see that in this viewport here that our wheel is covered. And we can't have that. Simply can't have that. So we want to manipulate our view so that we can see the 2 faces on the bottom. So we control pick them, and then we can choose the arrow to drag those up. Not too far, we don't want to see the engine. Something like that. That looks pretty good. Now don't worry about this back being extra. We're going to cut that off afterwards. Now we want to pull the front of our car ahead, and we'll do that in the next tutorial.